Hey folks, buckle up for another thrilling episode on our channel. Today, we're diving into the world of the iPhone 16 and 16 Plus. Get ready for some tech-tastic insights. Both models feature an aluminum design with the latest generation ceramic shield on the front. The rear panel boasts a vibrant color-infused glass finish, offered in an array of shades including classic black, pristine white, playful pink, serene teal, and the deep blue of ultramarine. The iPhone 16 flaunts a 6.1-inch Super Retina XDR OLED display, while the 16 Plus boasts a larger 6.7-inch screen. These displays are vibrant, with true tone and wide color support. The heart of the iPhone 16 series is the A18 chip, a powerhouse based on a new 3nm manufacturing process. It features a 6-core CPU and a 5-core GPU. The 16-core neural engine ensures lightning-fast AI processing. The device features a 48-megapixel main camera with an f1.6 aperture and sensor shift optical image stabilization, capable of capturing super high-resolution images. It also includes a 12-megapixel 2x telephoto lens with optical image stabilization, along with a 12-megapixel ultra-wide camera that offers a 120-degree field of view. You'll enjoy features like Smart HDR5, Night Mode, and next-generation portraits with focus and depth control. Battery life is impressive, up to 22 hours of video playback for the iPhone 16 and 27 hours for the 16 Plus. Both models are rated IP68 for water and dust resistance, up to 6 meters for 30 minutes. Built into your iPhone, Apple Intelligence helps you write, express yourself, and get things done effortlessly. It prioritizes privacy, ensuring that no one else, even Apple, can access your data. No price increases. The iPhone 16 starts at $799, and the 16 Plus at $899. Both models come in various storage capacities, 128 GB, 256 GB, and 512 GB. Thanks for tuning in. If you enjoyed the video, smash that like button. Haven't subscribed yet? What are you waiting for? Drop a comment with your favorite part. Catch you all on the flip side.